Hello students, welcome to our new session of Showroom Self classes, and today we are discussing about the chapter of symbols and notations from the reasoning part, and we are mainly focusing the questions coming from this chapter in SSC CGL 2014. Okay, so that's today our main focus. Okay, so first question we can see, they said the select the correct combination of mathematical symbols and to replace, and the question is 8. We don't know the symbols. You can see questions 8, 7, 6, 5 and 10. Okay, and those are the options. Those four are the options. Like first option is into, subtraction, divide is equal to, and then so on. So first thing you have to be watch here. Into the question, the last one is the 10. So I assume it's the answer. So the previous symbol from the of answer is must be is equal to. Okay. So first we can consign our answers. It will be A or D. Okay. Because another two answer don't have is equal to in their last position. Okay. So first we go for the option A. What is this? Into, subtraction, divide and is equal to. So it will be look like this: 8 into 7 minus 6 by 5 is equal to 10. Is it so? We can calculate it. So 7 into 8, 56 minus 6 by 5 is equal to 10. That means 50 by 5 is equal to 10. Yes, the first option is A. So as I first divide it, as first I assume it is equal to is in this position. So first I consign my answers within two, option A and option D, and let us go for option A, and here is your option. So that's a trick to reduce your time during the exam. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Now here you can see the questions. That's the conditions where greater than is equal to division, lower than is equal to multiply, minus means greater than, into means lesser than means plus, and after then is minus, plus is equal to itself. Okay, so first, and those are the questions. Which one will be the correct? We must decide that. Okay. So first we go for the first equation. So if we arrange it according to the condition, it will look like 10 minus 3, then this will be the into 10 minus 3. After that we can write here plus 5, because you can see that means plus. Okay, then another plus 4 and is equal to 16. Okay, so now if we calculate it, 7 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 16, and yes, itself, because 12 plus 4 is 16. So that's the right equation. If we go for this just as a try, because all of them have the is equal to in their last. So if we have our answer, the option A is the right answer. So if we go for the option B, then it will be look like this: 4 minus 6 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. Is it so? Because 2 plus 4, 6 and 10. No, the answer will be the 10. So that's not the right answer. So right answer in this question is this. That's so you can see those questions are not so heavy or not so tough. Questions are easy. You just have to practice it and having concept of those conditions. That will be the key to success in this exam. Okay, let us move to the next question. So here another type of question you can see there. P is equal to minus, Q is equal to plus, R is equal to divide, and S is equal to multiply. Okay. So what will be the answer of this? 18P, 6Q, 4S, 6R, 2. So first we arrange this equation according to the conditions. It will be like this: 18 minus P, 18 minus 6 plus 4 into 6 by 2. Okay, and now if we solve it according to the Watt's rule, I can write here according to the Watt's rule, the calculation should be like this. Is equal to 18 minus 6 plus 4 into 6 by 2. We can write it. Then 18 minus 6 plus 12. Now we can write minus going to the plus, then we can write 30 minus 6, that means 24. So according to the Watt's rule, the right answer is 24. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any complaint or suggestion about our source, you can directly reply in this number, which is 9836793076, or if you need any guidance or some suggestions, you can also mail in saurabhsirclasses.com. So that's all for today. Thank you.